Hello everyone, welcome to SciMates. Today we are going to discuss about De Morgan's law and the construction of natural number. So first write down the topics. De Morgan's law. And the second one is construction of natural number. So what did we study previously? We studied previously the basic set theory, right? So today we will use the basic set theory to construct natural number. First, we study De Morgan's law. Okay, De Morgan's law. Actually, De Morgan's law is the rule that allow us the expression of union and intersection of two sets or more than two sets purely in terms of each other via the complement operation. What is the meaning of that? So let me write down the De Morgan's law first. The De Morgan's law is if we have union of two sets and the complement, then it will be equal to A complement intersection B complement, and the second one is the first intersection. If I take complement, then it becomes A complement union B complement. I stated verbally that if we have union of two sets, then I can express the union of two sets in terms of intersection, that is here, via the complement operation. So we exactly do it. This is known as De Morgan's law. Now, De Morgan's law is named after the famous English mathematician Augustus De Morgan, who actually gives this formula in 19th century. 19th century. Okay. So now the question is how to visualize this. In the previous lecture, we see that to visualize any kind of set operation, the main equipment is exactly Venn diagram. So we will use Venn diagram to visualize this De Morgan's law also. So let me draw. This is my A set, this is my B set, name that A, name that as B. Similarly here, this is my A set, this is my B set, named it as A, named it as B. Now first A union B and then its complement. So what is A union B? It is my A union B. So what is A union B complement? This is my A union B complement. Now first, then this is my first, I have to take A complement, right? So A complement, this is my A complement. Then B complement. Now A complement intersection B complement is the area where these two color meets. This is actually the area shaded by this color. So we have proved by Venn diagram that A complement intersection B complement is equal to A union B complement. Similarly, we can visualize the second construction, second Venn diagram, second De Morgan's law. So the next question that should comes to our mind is this De Morgan's law holds for arbitrary number of sets. What is the meaning of that? So if we have family of sets AI where I belongs to some set gamma, gamma may be finite set, gamma may be an infinite set. Okay. So is this true? Yes, this is true. And similarly, the other one also true. That is it is also true. Okay. Now, basic set theory part is now completed. So now we are going to see the construction of few infinite set. The first infinite set that comes to our mind is natural number. So we will first see the construction of natural number list. See that. Let's see that. Construction of natural number. Sorry, let me write properly. Natural number. So what is natural number? The set of all natural number is denoted by this letter n, and it is the set 0, 1, 2, and so on. Few authors excluded the 0 from the set and they took the natural number as n equals to 1, 2, 3, and so on. It is the first infinite set, right? What is the meaning of first? If we want to think about an infinite set, the set comes to our mind first. That is why I want to mean that this is the first infinite set. And every infinite set, it has some subsets which are also infinite. Okay. So now, how to construct this natural number set? So if we want to construct a building, so what do we need, right? We need a plot, right? So without this plot, without any plot, we can't build a building, right? Similarly, to build the building, we need bricks, we need cement, we need sand, and the other things also. So suppose this is a building, we want to build that, or we want to construct the building, right? We want to construct the building, so we need this type of stuffs like plot, sand, cement, bricks. So mathematically we need some equipment. This equipment, okay, which are the so the equipments are the following axioms. So to construct the natural number, the first axiom is axiom 1, existence of the null set, that is phi. Second axiom, power set of any set exists. Power set of any set exists. Third axiom. Third axiom is existence of infinite set. What is the meaning of axiom? Meaning of axiom is it is a rule. We have to abide by this rule and we have to assume this rule and then we will construct the natural number. Now we assume this three rule or this three axiom, then we have to construct the natural number. So let's start the construction of natural number. Okay, so first see once again the three axiom: existence of null set, power set exists for any set, and then existence of infinite set. Now let's start the construction. Yeah. So first start with the empty set. S0 is my empty set. Okay, what is the cardinality of S0? Then is 1, sorry, 0, as phi has no element, so its cardinality is my 0, right? We know that 0. Then S0 is the power set of, sorry, S1 is the power set of S0, that is my S0, that is, so how many element S1 has? That is S1 has one element, so cardinality of S1 is my 1. Similarly, now S2. Now you can see the construction step by step. This is first 5, then, so what is the cardinality of S2? Is 2, right? Then S3, 5, 5, then what is the cardinality of S3? 1, 2, 3. So if we continue this process, we can construct the all natural numbers, right? So we have constructed all the natural numbers. We have constructed all the natural numbers. Sorry, we can construct. That is the right word we can use here. We can construct all natural numbers by this process, right? Is everything fine now? I think it is fine. Now the next thing is that if we want to collect this natural number, then it becomes a infinite set. But axiom 3, what is the axiom 3? Existence of infinite set. So it ensures us that infinite set exists. So we can take that set is as collection of those numbers. So it is same as my natural number. So clearly, fine. Now we constructed the set natural number. Fine. Okay. We will stop here. In the next lecture, we will study the relation then equivalence relation and partition of set. Then we will see the construction of Z, the set of all integers, then set of all rational number, the Q, then set of all real number, set step by step. So I am going to stop here. So I am eagerly waiting for your suggestion, comments, everything. Please enjoy the video and share with your friends. Thank you. Thank you very much.